Today, it was frightening. 7:45, I, like, around 5:45, there was a ginormous thundercloud, which then, Liquid, you don't want to know what happened after, a few minutes after. Flood. All the gardens were like flooding, and actually, there's actually a tornado, I'm not sure. In Nebraska, this is actually pretty weird. From our storm, the thunderstorm today, it caused to have a tornado warning. I see my little car I got here today. My baby sister did. See right there? And also I got tiny fall today. And one thing also, me and my friend, I was over at his house. I was at my cousin's. I was right next door to my cousin. I went to go over them. I had to stay in his house.